Hi everybody, this is Abdul Jalil Zaki, chemistry instructor. I hope everybody is fine and doing great. Today I really would like to talk about the parts of an atom. As you studied in 8th grade chemistry, there is a title which talk about the parts of an atom. Let's start our today's discussion about the parts of an atom. You studied in previous lessons about atom, definition of atom, and also the history of atom. But today we are going to discuss about the parts of an atom. Okay, as you can see in here, an atom has three main parts. The first one is electron, which is located in the shells of electron around the nucleus. The second one is proton, which has positive charge and it's located in the nucleus. And the third one is neutron. We will discuss about each one of them one by one. Let's start our discussion from electron. Okay, my dear students, before I talk about electrons, I just want to tell you electrons are negatively charged particles which is located around the nucleus of atom. It means they are located in the shells of electron. An electron is very small particle. It's so small. In order to understand the smallness of an electron, you can compare an orange with earth. By this comparing, you will understand the smallness of electron. Okay, my dear students, here are some characteristics of an electron. The first characteristic is electrons surround the nucleus. What does it mean, my dear students? As you can see in this picture, it says for us that there is one nucleus and also there are some shells of electrons. As you can see, these particles which have movement or which they are moving around the nucleus of atom, these are electrons. That's why we can say electrons surround the nucleus. Electrons have a negative charge. Never forget this. Keep it in your mind that electron is a particle with negative charge. And also the charge of the electron is about minus 1.602 times 10 to the power of negative 19 coulombs. This is the amount of charge of an electron. And also the mass of an electron has been measured and found to be 9.109389 times 10 to the power of negative 31 kilograms. This is the amount of mass of an electron. And also the last characteristic about electron is this. There is a man who discovered electron, which is called G.G. Thomson. You can say electron was discovered by G.G. Thomson. It's a chemical scientist. Okay, the second particle that I want to talk about, that it's a proton. Okay, my dear students, a particle with a positive charge in an atom's nucleus. It says for us that proton has positive charge and it's located in the nucleus of an atom, or you can say it's located in the core. As you can see, it's positive. It has positive charge. Okay, here are some characteristics of proton. It has positive electrical charge. We discussed about that. As you can see in here, this is the nucleus of an atom. As you can see, there are some positive charge which is related to the protons. It's located in nucleus, and also the charge of proton is about 1.602 times 10 to the power of negative 19 coulombs. This is the amount of charge of an electron. And also the mass of a proton is 1.6726 times 10 to the power of negative 27 kilograms. This is the mass of an electron. And also, my dear students, proton was discovered by a scientist which is called Rutherford. A proton is about 1814 times heavier than an electron. In order to compare the heaviness of an electron with proton, you can say that proton is about 1840 times heavier than an electron. And also, my dear students, the third particle which I'm going to talk about, that it's about neutron. Neutron is uncharged particle in the nucleus of an atom. It's neutral. It doesn't have any electrical charge. As you can see, it's neutral, and also it's located in the nucleus of an atom. Okay, my dear students, here are some characteristics of neutron. It's located in the nucleus of an atom. As you can see, this uncharged particle or neutral particle particles are called neutron. As we discussed, it's a neutral particle, and also the mass of neutron almost equal to the mass of proton. Proton has the same mass of neutron. And also neutron was discovered by a scientist which is called Chadwick. Okay, as you can see, as we discussed, there are some characteristics of these three main particles, which is up to the atoms, or they are parts of an atom. You can study with yourself. These are the names, the mass, and also charge. For example, my dear students, this is the carbon atom. In here, carbon has one core or nucleus, and also two shells of electron. As we discussed, carbon has 6 proton and also 6 neutron. The atomic number of carbon is 6, and the atomic mass of carbon is 12. Okay, in the first shells of electron, it has 2 electrons, and the second it has 4 electrons. As you can see, electrons are located around the nucleus of an atom or in the shells of electron, and protons are located in the nucleus, and also neutrons are located in the nucleus. Okay, it was about our today's lesson. If you have any question about this lesson, you can send it in this email address. Inshallah, as soon as possible, I will answer your questions. Have a good day. Bye.